Look at the huge home truck. So car wash here is like $8. Weather card, ceramic today.
Please insert cash or card.
Not so many. And look at their vacuum. Try it today.
You are now ready to enter the car wash.
Open, let's go. Family plan is about $15.99. So this is how ganito sila mag car wash dito. Machine. How much you pay?
$6.
$6. Okay. I thought it's $8. What is in $8?
I don't know.
I mean $29.
Thank you for calling Enterprise Rent-A-Car. For quality assurance, your call may be monitored or recorded. To help us serve you better, please listen to this entire message. For hours and location information, press 1. To check rates, availability, or to book a reservation, press 2. To confirm, modify, or cancel an existing reservation, press 3. To speak to an employee at our local office, press 4. If you are in need of roadside assistance, press 5. To repeat this message, press 9.
Put off, break off, hand off, steering.
For hours and location information, press 1. To check rates, availability, or to book a reservation, press 2. To confirm, modify, or cancel an existing reservation, press 3. To speak to an employee at our local office, press 4. If you are in need of roadside assistance, if you are calling to book a new reservation or check rates, press option 1. For all
Bubbles.
press 2.
Hindi siya. More bubbles. I can see outside. Here the front. Yan. Ito yung yan. Di ba? Ang galing. Water. Ang hot. Ito yung heater. Nice. Look at that. Spot freezing. Splashing water. Ito yung heater pala. Vacuum and heater. Tingnan mo yung kulay. Kulay ang buhay. Wow, very clean. Yeah, very clean. Look at this.
Each vehicle has been sanitized with a disinfectant before you receive it. We use products and procedures recommended by leading health
Thank you
authorities.
guys for
to clean and
watching.
sanitize vehicles from
See you
the
next
center
time
out, giving
again.
special attention
Bye.
to frequently touched surfaces. The complete
Bye for
clean wedge
now.
also extends beyond